Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we will talk about how Nokia lost the smartphone war and five. So basically, over 40% the global mobile phone market, and a company is so successful that almost everyone and everyone used to like its phones. Yet within just few years, it lost its crown. And how did Nokia go from being the world's number one mobile brand to becoming almost irrelevant in the smartphone market? Let us find out. Nokia was founded in Finland 1865, and but it entered the mobile phone businesses in 1990s. Its phones become famous for three reasons: excellent battery life and strong durability and affordable price. But the models like Nokia 1100 and Nokia 3300 to 110 sold millions of units available. By 2007, Nokia was the world's largest mobile phone company, controlling more than 40% of the market. It seemed impossible to beat, and but everything changed the same year. And in 2007, Apple launched the first phone, and most companies, including Nokia, believed touchscreen phones would not replace keyboard phones, but instead of investing in modern smartphone experience, so Nokia continued improving its old Symbian operating systems. Soon after, Google introduced Android, and Samsung quickly adopted Android and launched innovative smartphones. While competitor research focused on software, apps, user experience, Nokia continued focus mainly in software and hardware. Customers slowly started switching to Android to Nokia. Nokia made like four mistakes, and first it underestimated smartphones. The company believed customer only cared about battery life and durability. But second, it was slow to innovate, and internal inaccuracy delayed important decision and allow competitors to move faster. Third, it refused to adapt to Android. Instead of Nokia partner with Microsoft and launched Windows iPhone and Windows Phone, the which is failed to attract user to app developers. Finally, it ignored the importance of app ecosystem. People wanted apps like WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, Google Maps. Without a strong app store, Nokia phones became less attractive. And then after those things in 2013, Microsoft bought Nokia's mobile phone business for $7.2 billion, and ironically, Microsoft later shut down most of the smartphone business, and because it could not compete Android and Apple, world's biggest phone company, had lost the market it once dominated. But now the what was the lesson? Because Nokia's story teaches us powerful lesson. Never ignore your disruptive technology. Adapt faster than your competitors. Software and customer experience matter as much as hardware. And past success. doesn't guarantee your future success. Even business, no matter how successful, must keep innovating. Business in business, the companies, the suppliers are not always the biggest. They are ones that adapt the fastest. So if you want to something in grow in your business, then you have to adapt and faster something. You have to change your product, you have to change your marketing strategy, and you have to innovate something accordingly. User behavior is changing, technology is changing, and so this was the Nokia uh, downfall. And what do you say? What your thought on this? Comment below.